What up, y'all? Terry Warfield. I hope you are doing okay. Me, I gotta get out the house, man. I'm so sick of being stuck in the house right now. So I'm taking this opportunity to get out the house and head downtown. I'm gonna do some POV street photography today. And I'm only doing this because I'm not about to be around nobody. It's Easter Sunday. It ain't about to be nobody outside. And I think that's cool. So I know a big thing is, social distancing, stay away from everybody. It's cool to go on runs and stuff like that as long as you're keeping to yourself and being safe. And it ain't about to be nobody outside today. So this is what we about to do. I got my A7 III with me, and I've been wanting to do some street photography with an 85mm because I just love the way it looks. And I figured today would be a challenge because it ain't nobody outside. So it's gonna be a challenge to get some interesting photos. So we're gonna use the A7 III plus the Viltrox 85mm. For the camera, I ain't got no GoPro, so I'm gonna be using my Galaxy S20 Ultra on this harness that I got from Amazon for like 12 bucks. It's a chest harness, and we're gonna see how well it does with the video because, be honest with you, I ain't been that impressed with the video out the S20 Ultra. So let's see what happens, man. If anything, I was able to get out the house and hopefully make some dope content for y'all. So let's go. All right, we are downtown, and just like I expected, it ain't no damn body out here. But let's see what we can come up with. Let me get this camera set up first. Hey, this is very eerie out here, man. I'm so used to this being like crowded and packed out here. Yo, it's literally nobody down here. I should have brought an ND filter, but I didn't. Crazy part is I never came down like this far onto the pier. This pier is pretty freaking dope. So since I'm out here, that Good Time 3 right there, I think every person in Cleveland rode on that damn boat. But it's beautiful out here today, man. It's like 65 degrees, even though we got a wind advisory tomorrow. Like, it's supposed to be like 60 miles per hour wind gusts. You ain't gotta be an expert to come do this, you know what I'm saying? Just get your camera and come outside. It's a great way to get out the house. Plus you can get some dope photos with it. But yeah, like I said, it's surprisingly more people out here than I thought. Look at this view right here. That's crazy. That's crazy. I like getting stuff with an 85 in the foreground. See what that's doing? It's a little trick you can use with 85mm. And I just made a rookie mistake. I was supposed to be shooting raw, so let me change this. I prefer to shoot everything raw if possible. I'm just talking about the camera, y'all nasty. But this is part of social distancing. So we got people over here, but you gotta stay your ass away from everybody. We got some bikes coming. Let's see if I can grab them. Man, y'all cool if I take y'all a picture? Thanks. Oh, look at y'all good sports.
Not for the garbage.
That's a good point. It's a big ass garbage can right there. Let me walk around here. We gotta keep our distance though. Gotta social distance. I'll go this way. I like it. That's nice. Y'all on Instagram?
Yeah.
I'll send this to y'all if y'all want me to. You want to do it? Sure. It's Terry, RRY, _ Warfield, WAR, Field. So give me like a day or two, I'll send it to y'all. But I'm doing like a street photography video, so you might see yourself on YouTube. Peace. Her ass got kind of close. Had to back that up, player. Let's see what's back here. We got some citronella candles. I love making like blurry backgrounds. I like that. I like stuff like this too, like straight lines. This is crazy how dope this is. I've been staying in this dang old city for most of my life. Since I was like probably 10 years old. And I never saw any of this crap. You know what's crazy is people probably looking at me like, who the hell is he talking to? I think I'm about to turn around and go back up because I want to shoot some of these buildings. So yeah, let's do that. Let's walk back. Man, I love cameras, man. I don't really care what kind of camera it is. It's just something about being able to like freeze moments in time. You know what I'm saying? With the click of this button right here. Watch this. Watch this shit right here. With the click of this button, clean up your dog shit. With the click of that button, hold on, let me back up. With the click of that, I just froze that moment in time. How dope is that? I can always go back and see that again if I want to. That's why I love photography. The people with masks, let's see. I'm gonna use APS-C mode to see if I can punch in closer. But all this COVID-19 stuff, man, this shit is crazy, bro. Absolutely crazy. We have, in our ages, experienced so much history. You know what I'm saying? Like so much history. And this is just another piece of history. Oh, look at this shot right here. I think maybe if I could get a little bit closer. Y'all see this right here? Dope. Super dope. Actually, let me try that before I get anybody down here. Let's see if we can go all the way down low. I'm gonna go aperture priority right now. Let's get one chest level too. Let me stop using profanity. It might be kids watching this video. And they ain't about to take my ad revenue away. But this is history, man. Straight history. Not good history, but you know, history is history. I just hope I don't catch it. People all coughing in my face. That's easy. Anybody can do that. That's the Key Bank Tower right there. Now, what I'm about to do is adjust my exposure count to like -0.3 because I'm shooting aperture priority, so I ain't got to keep messing around with all the settings. That's the Chariot. I call her Silver Bullet. See how dirty she is, man? Let's see if I can catch him. Boom! Just like that, got him. I always like underexposing images outside. Everybody got their preference, but I prefer to underexpose. Look at that, that's a dope picture right there. Because even though the A7 III is a beast, I like my highlights being retained. It's the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame right here. Got a guy taking this picture. Let's see if I can get him. Dope. Dope. Well, let me make sure it's still recording. Still going. See, when y'all do these street photography videos, y'all see everybody doing them with zoom lenses. Bro, get a prime lens. It makes things so much more difficult when it comes to composing shots, because you can't just cheat. I mean, I won't call it cheating, but you can't just depend on your zoom range. You gotta move with your feet. See? Oh, that's dope. Dope, 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 dope. One more. I had this at 1.8. I'm gonna stop down to like f5, 6 because I want all of that in focus. That's hard. All right, now I got the key back, so let's see if I can get something dope out of this. Let me open back up to f1.8. Oh yeah, fire. Let me get one with the building in focus. A lot of times I hate the city because there's just so much like violence here. There's so much poverty all over the place, and everybody just want to steal from each other instead of working. And I'm not saying that it's all bad, you know what I'm saying? I'm sweating, man. I got this chest harness on, I got this bag on, and I'm wearing all black. I like that. I likes that. Oh, I can get both in there. Let me back up some. Make sure I ain't backing up into the street. I love symmetry, man. A lot of bikes out today. It's expected, you know what I'm saying? That was dope. We got the street light in the photo. That's the focal point. Dope. This view is amazing. Oh, look at that. It's a train coming. It's a train coming. See if I can get that from up here. I see that. I'm gonna get him. Punch in the Super 35. Come on through, player. Boom. I got him. Another bike rider. Got you. Hold up, hold up. Got your ass again. Look at that. That's dope. Y'all see that? That's hard. This is a cool view right here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get anything though. Let's see. I like symmetry, so let's get the tracks in the middle of the frame. Ooh. Actually, that's hard. Oh, hell yeah. Man, it is so empty down here. Look at this view right here. Sheesh. Man and this doggy. Come here, boy. What's up, man? How you doing? People be so mad when you point a camera at them, but I don't be giving a crap. My man on the corner about to snipe him. Boom. Let's get one more. Couldn't get his face, but I don't like being intrusive. Some people don't care. I don't like invading people's space like that. Especially like, I don't know, man. I think a little different. You know what I'm saying? For people who are homeless or, you know, not fortunate, sticking the camera in their face. I should have shot him on that tractor. Sticking the camera in their face, to me, just, the shit ain't cool, man. So I could have got a better shot, you know what I'm saying, of him looking at the camera or looking at me, but I don't want to make homeboy feel uncomfortable. But that's the free sign right here. How dope. Let's get some ground level right here. Nice, nice, nice. Now this is interesting right here because normally it's people all over here. This is wild. I'm a big fan of leading lines, man. Let's get right in the middle. See if we can use this wall. Which one of these pictures y'all like the best so far? Took a lot of pictures, man. This is wild. Look how empty this is. Everybody's scared of that COVID. My bad, y'all couldn't even see. Cop car. We ain't gonna mess with them. I don't feel like getting shot today. Even though I took a picture of some cops already. Look at this right here. This is dope. This is cool, man. I could do this more often. All right, I'm gonna grab a couple more pictures and then we can wrap this up. see if I like, oh, Terry got an idea. Let me back up some. A lot of runners out here today. Go to the street, hold up. Street view. Gotta hurry up. I've been wanting to get one of these bus shots for a minute. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Pressure's on, pressure's on. That bus driver was not happy about me taking this picture. You'll live. I don't know if y'all can see this, but yo, I love the way this looks right here. I wanna grab one more picture of this. Maybe I could get one with the bus. He about to pull off. I know he about to pull off. With the bus in focus and nothing else. I gotta get closer though. Let me move if I get my ass ran over and it look like it's about to start raining. I'm very curious to know about the video quality out the Galaxy S20. Was it trash? So if I grab this, turn the corner, got him. This combo right here though, this is a great combo. Super good combo. Nice. How y'all doing? If you want to check out the video on this, I've actually made like 2 or 3 videos on this lens right here. I'm gonna put the link in the description for y'all. Don't point at me like that, bro. Look at that, that's wild. It locked onto his eye on the picture. Make that a little bit more funky, get some background in there. I will come link up with y'all again in the car while I get this thumbnail popping. I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, I'm back in the car. Yo, that was actually super therapeutic. I gotta do that more often. It was just me, my camera, my thoughts. Man, I really loved that, man. But anyways, I really love the way street photography look with 85. I know it's a portrait lens, but I just love the way it compresses everything, man. Everybody love different focal lengths for street photography. 85 millimeters, hands down, my favorite. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, man. I gotta get to the grocery store. I gotta get home. Make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also, make sure you share it, man. 10K is like right there. I just need y'all to share this video and help me get there, man. But anyways, like I said, hope you enjoyed it. That's all I got. Piece of chicken grease. I'm out, Terry Warfield. Peace.